Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Software Scrutinize. In our previous video, we had talked about how to take input of integer values from the user and display the manipulation. After manipulation, to display result on the screen, and how to take input string values from the user and display the strings on the screen after concatenation. So today in this video, we will talk about how to apply if condition, because in our many systems there are lot of conditions we have applied, and our result depend on the condition is true or false, then the answer will be displayed on the screen. So we will use if condition. Today in this lecture we will talk about if condition, and we will write a program to display the result depending on the condition, right? So first of all, again, the sequence of my step, that is new file, and in this new file I will write a program about if condition. Okay, so just a minute. All right, okay, first of all I will print enter a number, right? Again, another step, that is when we take some input from the user, this will in the form of string, so we have to convert this value in the integer. I will write a is equal to int input and close. So when we take input from the user to store in the value in the variable a, this will convert into integer. Cast operator, that is integer, it will convert into integer. Right? Now I will take another number from the user, enter second number, right? And again I will convert it into. Alright, now we have two numbers, a and b variable, and a variable contain integer value and b variable also contain integer value. So we will compare these two values. How this will be possible? We will apply if condition. If a less than b, this is our syntax to write if condition. If a less than b, print the value of a is greater than b. If you want to only use if condition, not else or else if, so you will write another condition, that will be if a less than b, sorry, a greater than b, value of a is less than, right? So we will apply print the value of a is greater than b, right? So I will save this program. In Python programs like, alright, if condition, right? Now I will save this program in Python file. So now I have to execute my program. I will use shortcut key F5 to execute my program. I will press F5. F5. Now as you can see, there will be an error. Alright, there will be an error on line 1. I will take right. I understand. I will have to move. Oh, okay. Just a minute. There will be error sometime. Enter a number. Line 1 in module. Name print not defined. Okay. This will not like that. Because this is a case-sensitive language, I have write P in uppercase, so there will be error generated on the screen. Now, again, execute my program. Enter a number like 10, and the second number, that is 30. The value of A is less than B. Of course, the value of 10, the value 10 is stored in variable A, and value 13 is stored in variable B. So when we compare these two values, then 10 is less than 13, and so display the value and A is less than B. Because as you can see, we have take value A, there is 10. I will write some 10. This is my comment. In Python programming, when we write some comments, so we will simply write hash and then write our comments. I will take these two values, 10 and 13. 10 is stored in the A and 13 is stored in variable B, right? So when we compare, there are these two conditions. In first condition, 10 is less than 13. That is true, so display this statement. And the next block will be ignored. If the value of A is greater than 30, greater than B, so then again concept, that is the first block will be ignored and second block will be executed. So I will write again, okay, enter a number. I will write 15 and second number will be 10. The value of A is greater than B. So as you can see, the first block will be ignored and second block will be executed. This is our if condition. Using if condition, it is very simple to control our structure, to control our whole condition, to control our logic of the program, right? So I will write another statement, like if you want, do not want to use if more than one, because this is very simple. Why will I write if condition again and again? I will write only else. That's it. If A is less than B, then A is less than B. If this condition is true, then display the statement. Otherwise, A greater than B, and this statement will be displayed. So, not to use if condition more than one, you have only write for one time if condition and compare these two values. If this condition is false, then another condition that is greater than or equal sign, then this condition will be true and this will execute it. Because the use of else is when if condition is false, then automatic else statement will be executed. So I will save it and again execute my program like 30 and 25. As you can see, 30 and 25. We again move to the program 30 and 25. And 30 and 25, 30 value will be stored in variable A and 25 will be stored in variable B. And when we compare these two values A and B, A is no less than B, because then this block will be ignored. The next statement else will be automatically executed and display the statement that is the value of A is greater than B. So this is our if condition, how to use if condition in Python program. In our next video, we will also talk about another program, another condition, another if condition statements used in another software like that. But this is very simple to use this condition in our program to control our structure, to control our whole logic. In our next video, we will talk about another program. In this, there are multiple if conditions we will control in our next program. Okay, so take care yourself and keep in touch with us. If you have any other question, any ambiguity, you can contact with us. Subscribe our channel. In our next video, we will talk a program. There are multiple if conditions will be used. So keep in touch with our next video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.